name?
My name is Flavian.
And where do you live, Flavian?
I live in Romania.
Okay. So what made you want to come on Britain's Got Talent?
Today I came on Britain's Got Talent to make a show with the intelligence.
Oh. So are you saying that we're not a show with intelligence?
No, not about this. It's something different. I really want to make it to be good.
Good luck.
Thank you. So, I have here 3 cubes. They are all scrambled, completely different. And now I'm gonna solve them blindfolded.
No.
What? Are you crazy?
Look what he's doing! It's like he can see out his fingers.
I don't get it. How did you know that?
Oh, they're doing it! Oh, goodness! Ah! 100 now!
He's taking the
No!
next one.
Shut up! Look at him! What a legend!
Are you from this planet? Honestly, because I don't think genuinely a human being should be able to do that.
Brilliantly entertaining, something we've never seen before, and we've absolutely no idea how you can possibly memorise all those moves.
Flavian, I think that was really impressive. What we witnessed today was extraordinary, so well done.
Okay, David?
I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say yes. It's a yes from me.
Flavian, even though I don't think you are from Earth, I'm going to say yes.